What's one of my favorite flowers to grow in a kitchen garden in the middle of the summer? It's this one. This is the Vinca. If you're the kind of person who is into beautiful gardens and tons of plants and delicious harvests and tips and tricks on how to grow more of the food and the plants that you love, then you've got to subscribe to the Gardenary channel. You can hit that button right here on this page and you'll get a notification every time we drop a new video that's going to inspire you and teach you a new trick or a new design or walk you through a tour of a garden like this one to keep you growing all year long. Vinca is in the periwinkle family, and Vincas are a really hardy, prolific plant that are wonderful to plant alongside the edges of your raised bed in your kitchen garden. Vincas are heat tolerant, they're drought tolerant. They are also known to be resistant for deer or rabbits. And they're also great for pollinators. They attract bees and butterflies to your raised beds. We are right now in the middle of a heat wave. It is in the high 80s, even in the 90s during the day. And these Vinca are showing off. You can see how all these plants are in full bloom and just doing great. The way I love to plant Vincas in a raised bed is right along the border. One of our classic things to do at Gardenary is to have herbs and flowers along the borders of the raised bed. So you can see how we just tucked Vinca right alongside herbs like oregano, chives, sage, and rosemary. Vinca plants are pretty tolerant. They will deal with partial sun, but they also thrive in full sun. They like the temperatures to be in the 80s and with lows in the 60s. So they're not frost tolerant. They are the perfect flower to grow when it's hot and sunny outside. So if you're looking for a new flower to add to your kitchen garden, the Vinca may be it. But buyer beware, Vinca are not edible. So even though they are wonderful to plant alongside the edge of your kitchen garden, they bring in the bees and the butterflies. Though it's great for the bees to eat their pollen, we as humans are not supposed to consume these flowers. So grow them for the beauty, for the productivity, and for the way that they build the ecosystem in your kitchen garden. Just don't eat them. If you're looking to make your kitchen garden more beautiful and productive this season, you can shop all of our Gardenary raised beds and trellises in the Gardenary shop. We'll link all those below this video. And if you want step-by-step instruction, you've got to check out the Kitchen Garden Academy. Kitchen Garden Academy is our online course that shows you every single step through video how to design, build, set up, plant, and tend and harvest from your own beautiful raised bed kitchen garden. So if you love the way this kitchen garden looks and you want yours to look similar, go below this video and check out Kitchen Garden Academy or head to kitchengardenacademy.com for more details. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to go buy some more flowers and put them in your kitchen garden this weekend.